Keto breakfast ideas, 6 ways to start the day without a lot of carbs. Fuel up with protein and healthy fats for breakfast. A meal that's heavy in sugar and starch is no way to start your day, especially if you're following the ketogenic diet. These recipes from functional medicine specialist Mark Hyman, MD, are a great way for anyone, keto or not, to bring real, whole, fresh foods, including non-starchy vegetables, to your plate first thing in the morning. Jicama hash with turkey bacon and avocado. The jicama serves as a lighter alternative to traditional potato, while turkey bacon is a stand-in for pork. Scrambled eggs with tomatoes, herbs and goat cheese. This versatile, protein-packed meal is easy on your digestive system and always a hit with the kids, too. Ginger spice smoothie. A creamy, low-carb smoothie is a great way to start your day and get into fat-burning mode. And ginger is great for digestions. Sautéed veggies with avocado and poached egg. What's the easiest way to upgrade a plate of greens? Put an egg on top. This tasty and comforting dish is good for breakfast, or lunch or dinner. Non-coffee vanilla latte. For those who don't want coffee, this latte is a great morning drink that provides healthy fat without caffeine. Broccoli sausage frittata with a few veggies and pre-cooked sausage. You can have this satisfying, savory frittata on the table in under 45 minutes.